Today we talk about how can you enable your recommendations on your Amazon shopping app. So you just follow these ways and it's going to work with you. All you have to do in the first, you just go down here, click on this sign down here. When you just click on it, it's going to take you to this list here. You click here on settings. So then it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this here. Click here on notifications. Then it's going to take you to this list here. Click here on Amazon shopping here. Then it's going to take you to this list. You just scrolling down here. So until you will find here shopper recommendations. Then you will find here reorder recommendations here. Click in this sign. Like you see this color show for us, that means it's enabled with us now. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking.